And the other folks that we were really trying to, I think, get written into this that didn't get written in were some of those caregivers and folks who opened up compassion centers or dispensaries during that period in which, we had this gray situation with the law. And some communities really cracked down hard on those folks and really, threw the book at them in ways that really don't support the public interest. And I was hoping to find some sort of way to get something in there that would provide relief to those folks as well.
I would agree. It's kind of wait a second, David. I would agree. I think it's distressing that there is a whole category of individuals who, became patients or caregivers, relying on the protections that they thought were afforded to them by the MMA, to which they learned it did not. And it wasn't because there was some clear statement that told them otherwise. There was clearly debate and discussion, and they learned about it, by being brought into court and having the court decide without any real fair notice. And this is seen over and over and over again. I can name the various issues: the closed-lock facility, the usable marijuana, like someone cuts down a couple plants and it weighs 10 pounds, and they put it in a bag and weigh it, and you're way out of compliance, and no one's even considering the concept of usable marijuana. I mean, there's various plays in that. There's a whole category of people that were technical violators of the MMA. You know what I mean? Much different than some of these other convictions. The other one, which I thought was an easy category to clean up, was, and I don't know exactly how you could identify them, but in the legislature, when you were in the House, I think you passed the amendment to Section 4 that applied retroactively and reclassified the weights of what, and forms by which patients and caregivers could possess cannabis, that being liquids and solids,
gaseous.
Gaseous.
And gases, whatever that is. But it applied retroactively, which is something I'd never seen in 26 years at the time.
That would be a dilemma.
A law that applied retroactive, never seen it before, and it was intended to be curative, if I'm correct in the specific language. But again, that was a category that's easy. It seemed to be an easy one that you kind of pick out there.